Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4 science lesson number 11, the earth and its neighbors. Okay, now today we are going to see the explanation. Let us open the page number 95. Satellites. Satellites are small heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. Totally 9 planets are there, and satellites are a small heavenly bodies. It will give the information and it will revolves around the planets. Some planets have their own satellites. They will be having their own satellites. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. The one of the moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. It will shines because it will reflect the lights of the sun. With the development of science and technology, man has intentionally placed man-made artificially satellites into the orbit. Now, development of the science and technology, scientists, they leave the satellites in a orbit. These man-made objects are revolves around the earth as natural satellites. Now, the man-made satellites also, they will revolve around the earth. These objects are called as artificial satellites. Now, these objects, man-made objects, it is known as artificially objects. Okay, then man-made satellite, that is also artificially satellites that is made by the man, and are used for the research, and it will used for the research, communication and weather forecasting. For why they left the satellites? Because they require the information. They will do the research and they knows the communication, and they have to study about the weather. Okay, that's why they left the artificial satellites. Etc. Sputnik 1, the world first artificial satellite. It was the world first in the world. They left the Sputnik 1 satellite. Was launched by the Russia in 1957. They were launched in Russia in 1957. They launched. Since then, thousands of artificial satellites have been launched. In that, 1,000 artificial satellites have been launched. India launched its first artificial satellite, Aryabhat, in 1975. India launched the first satellite, Aryabhat, in 1975. Stars. There are countless stars in the sky. In that sky, there are countless stars. Stars are huge balls of gases. Stars are a huge ball, means big ball of the gases. A star has its own light and a heat. The star is having its own light and a heat. Stars appear to be very small because they are very far away from the us. Stars appears to be very small. It will be very small because why it will be look like a small? Because it is a very far from us. Stars are made up of hot gases. Stars are made up of all the hot gases. They twinkle at a night. They will twinkle at the night. A group of the stars from the imaginary pattern in the sky. These patterns are called as a constellation. Example, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor and Scorpion, etc. Now next one, our planet Earth. We have to study about the Earth. Okay, our planet Earth is beautifully planet made up of land and water. On the Earth, land also is there and water also is there. It is round like a ball. It will look like a ball. Its outer surface is hard but deep inside. It is the outer surface is a hard, but inside it is a deep. it has hot molten material. It will be having hot molten material. The outer surface is called the crust. Outside surface, it is called as a crust. This is outer surface, hard surface, it is known as a crust. The inside portion is called the core. The inside, it will be the inside, it is known as a core. The layer between the crust and the core is called the mantle. The layer between a crust and core, it is known as a mantle. It is made up of layer of rocks. It is made up of the layer of the rocks, minerals and the metals. It will made of the minerals and the metals. There are two kinds of movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. There are two kinds of the earth. It will be the rotation, one is a revolution. Okay, now I hope you understood this all.